Oh, sorry. That's like the viewing area over there, guys. Sick. Absolutely sick. Oh my god! That looks awesome. End of part 2, guys. I'll see you in the next bit. I'm an emu. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Folly Park. Just taking a quick thing of the emus, quite cool, and yeah. What's that say over there? No feeding? Don't know. Yeah, I can see you guys in the next clip. Meerkats. Meerkats having a scrap. Oh, here comes another one.
Oh look, they're looking at those people over there. Look. Oh my god, look, all of them.
Oh, there they are there! Oh my god! This is so... I love meerkats. They're my favourite animal.
Bite your fingers.
Oh, look at them. Oh, look at them all. Going back to having a little relax by the wooden... Yeah, but... Oh, here comes one! Oh my god! Here comes one! Meerkat! Meerkat! Look at him! Oh my god!
I'm taking so many videos right now.
Oh my god, he's so cute! I love meerkats. They're even cuter than dogs, I think. I think they're even cuter.
Oh my god, it's so tiny.
Where?
Smaller one, yeah.
I don't know. Oh, look at him there. Oh my god. Check out that one there. That one over on the hill. Oh.
He's just been looking there. It's like,
Yeah, it's like, what are these ugly, smelly things? Oh, they're people. Oh, look, did you hear them? Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah. That's so cute. Where are they? Look at that one there. Look at that one just... Oh my god. They look like Alex from meerkat.com. Obviously they are, because he's a meerkat and so are they, but... Oh my god. Alright, I'll see you in the next animal.
they just said, oh my god, there's so many.
Look at all of them! Look at them! Oh my god. Look at those the porky... Oh, look at that one over there. Over on the hillside. This is awesome. I love it.
They're so exotic. Oh, look at that one standing there.
Oh, look at that one standing up on the rock like King Julian from Madagascar. That's so adorable. That is so adorable. Look at the porcupine. Look at the porcupines.
They're very non-violent.
It's just like Pokemon. So many different kinds of animals. It's just like Pokemon. So many different types. There's so many different types of animals, just like Pokemon. I don't know why I keep relating everything to Pokemon, but...
Because you're crazy.
No, because I like Pokemon, thank you, Louise.
Oh, there's a big old porcupine in there.
Penguins, oh my god. Check out all these flamingos, guys, that's awesome. All of these flamingos are new to Folly Farm. Check them out. Can I even zoom in? Yeah, check out how awesome they are. Why are they all one there? They're weird. So yeah, guys, cool. Check it out, guys. The flamingos are actually new to Folly Farm. So cool. They're really cool. They like stand on one leg. And are they pink? Or the thingish pink, the yellow, whitish pink. What's that one with it? Why did they even stand? Why does that one even stand on one leg? Are they okay? So hey guys, flamingos equal. Oh, check that one out! Check his neck. That is so cool.
No. I think that's because they fly.
Right, so check how many there are, guys. Insane. Oh, look at this penguin area around here. No penguin actually come in yet. Oh, there comes one. There comes one. Where is he? Are you serious? He just went back to the surface. I'm not gonna whether you caught that or not, but. There comes one. There comes one. There's one over there. Oh, that's so cute. You get a better view one. Come on closer, penguin buddy. Come on closer, buddy. There he is, guys. That's so cool. Check him out.
Well, they're on the top. We have to go to the top if you want to see them.
Penguin JJ?
Yeah, I see a few over there.
Not moving home actually. The babies were outside there, Jack. They're all furry.
Really?
Feathery, yeah.
Oh, it's one going around
There's a
there.
fish down there. Look, they haven't eaten one.
Where?
They were fed. You see it down there.
Yeah, I see. Oh my god. Do they literally feed dead fish?